I'd like to show you our Creative Crown corner blocks. They're probably the best corner block you can buy on the market today. Our corner blocks are one piece, they're smooth, they're white, they have radius corners, they have no seams or joints. They have no nail holes or screw holes in them. They're made extra long to accommodate large pieces of molding. You can always cut the top off to whatever height you like. They're made extra long to accommodate for vaulted or angled ceilings. On the back side, there's grooves that run down two sides of the block. You can apply adhesive to these seams and simply place the block into the corner of the room. We make 5 sizes of blocks from our mini that will accommodate very small moldings, our small, our medium, our large, and our giant. Our giant block is probably the biggest block on the market today. It will accommodate very large moldings.